In this video, we will be looking at how to use the Google Drive with your EKU account. This video will include steps to navigate to the Google Drive, and then we will go over the different ways you can effectively use it with your account. To begin, start by opening a browser and just search for Google Drive. Look for an option that says Sign In. A Google sign-in window should appear. Be sure to use your EKU email address and password on this window. Most likely an EKU sign-on screen will appear after this one. You will want to sign in on that window as well. You are now signed into your Google Drive. It's probably pretty empty in here right now, but let's take a look on how to change that. First thing you may notice is the amount of space you have allocated to your account. With 100 gigabytes, you should have no problem with using this as a perfect spot for file storage. Let's take a look at some of the features that Google Drive has to offer. Google Drive is used to store, organize, share, and access files from anywhere. Google Docs is used to create and edit documents collaboratively in real time. Google Sheets is used to organize data, work with formulas, and build charts. Google Slides is used to create presentations with text, images, and media. Google Forms is used to create surveys, quizzes, and response forms. Together, these tools make it easier to create content, collaborate with others, manage files, and stay organized using Google Drive. Next, let's look at a few of the tools you can create directly within Google Drive. First, you can create a new Google Doc. Google Docs allows you to build documents online, type notes, write papers, and collaborate with others in real time. Next, you can create a Google Sheet. Google Sheets is useful for organizing information, entering data, using formulas, and creating charts. After that, you can create a Google Slide presentation. Google Slides allows you to build presentations using text, images, and other media, all within your browser. In addition to creating new files in Google Drive, you can also upload files directly from your computer. This makes it easy to store existing documents, presentations, spreadsheets, PDFs, and other files in one place. With Google Drive, you can create new content, upload existing files, organize your work, and access it from virtually anywhere. If you encountered any issues accessing your Google Drive, or if you have any questions regarding Google Drive or anything else tech-related, feel free to reach out to the EKU IT Help Desk for assistance.